Pranav, can you see the screen? Okay, I can't catch Pranav's conversation. I am going to go to Vihan. Vihan, correct the sentence. Who house that near lives in the forest? Oh God, this is too jumbled up. Fix the sentence.
Whose house
Whose?
lives
Whose? Whose is not a word on the sentence. WHOS, whose is not a word on the sentence.
What first? Hold on. Yeah. Who lives? House that near lives in the forest.
Eh? Are you correcting the sentence? Are you telling me the correct sentence?
No.
No. So come on fast. You have another 30 seconds.
House. What's the first sentence? It's a big word. What's the first one, ma'am?
You have to tell it. I'm not going to help you. Come on. You just have to fix the sentence. I'm not going to help you with this.
Forest.
Oi, 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 what's going on?
I don't know this sentence.
I will look to pass the question to Ranveer. Come on, Ranveer. I'm opening your mic. Who house that near lives in the forest? Fix the sentence.
And who lives in that house near the forest?
Arre, wow. Good one. Good one. Very good. Very good. Who lives in that house near the forest? Okay. Good, 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 good. Okay. Tanishka, next one's coming to you. Tanishka is like, bring it on. Bring it on. Honey A makes B sweet. Let's find this. Tanishka, fix the sentence. Fix the sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Honey.
Think.
Honeybee makes sweet.
Honeybee makes a sweet. कौन सा वाला? Kaju Katli in her kitchen. No, that's not the sentence. Think what word should come first and then start forming the sentence.
Honeybee makes a sweet. No,
That's
it's
what I
not
asked.
sweet.
Honeybee makes a sweet. Which one? Kaju Katli? Yes.
No,
Laddu.
no.
Think. Chalo, chalo. You can't take so long. Come on. Grade 6 taking like 1 hour to fix one sentence.
Bees makes a sweet honey.
You're almost there, but it's still not correct. I'm going to pass the question to Subhan.
Bee makes a sweet honey.
Wrong. Think again. A sweet honey क्या होता है? Ranveer, don't speak. When it is your turn, I'll come to you.
A bee makes sweet honey.
Thank you. A bee makes sweet honey. Good job. Good job. Okay. Pranav, are you in screen for us to ask you the next question? Okay. Pranav, I can't hear you. I'm going to go to Vihan. Vihan, the next one is coming for you. Solve this. Play will you me with?
Will you play?
Bolo.
Will you play with me?
Thank you. Yes, I will play with you. Good one. Good one. Very good. Very good. Okay, good. I'm going to go to the next one. And I'm going to give that question to Ranveer. Oh, a brown, a with chick hen. Ayyo. A brown, a with chick hen. Somebody was really half asleep when they made this sentence all jumbled up. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Ranveer, fix it for me. Chalo, Ronnie, fix it.
Oh, a brown hen with a chick.
Oh, that wasn't so tough. I thought you're going to get confused, wondering chicken, brown, kya kya karu? Good one, good one, good one. This is nice. This is nice. Okay, good. Tanishka, next one coming to you. At the look peacocks. At the
Look at the peacock.
peacock. Peacock.
Look at the peacocks.
Thank you. See, children, using the correct words that is given in the list is very important. तनिष्का से सर में हाथ रख के मत बैठो, सीधे बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Okay, cool, good. All right. I'll take the next one to Subhan. Subhan, are you ready for the next one? Dog catches stick the.
The dog catches the stick.
The
The dog catches the stick.
Thank you.
The stick.
Okay. All right. Pranav, any chance you're in network yet? I can't hear you, Pranav. Okay. I'm going to move the next question to Vihan. Vihan, cat to park the walked the. What is this?
The cat walked to the park.
A cat. यहाँ पे A है.
No, the cat walked to the park.
Thank you. Good one. Good one. Ranveer, next one to you. A student chair sat the on.
The student sat on a chair.
Okay, good. You can also say a student sat on the chair. Depends upon which one is definite. Okay, good, good, good. Very good, very good. ये काफी easy जा रहा है. Let's see. Tanishka, next one is to you. The read story teaches students the to a. Ho 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 ho. यहाँ पे तो preposition पे, article पे, पता नहीं सब गड़बड़ घोटाला है. Come on, Tanishka, I am depending on you to fix this.
The teacher students reading storybooks.
Reading
the-
storybook. Reading किधर है? Book किधर है? What is? What is? Hello? Tanishka, another 30 seconds. Come on. The read story teaches students the to a. Chal yaar, this should be possible.
The teacher students read story
Eh?
to a. No.
Tanishka, not good, not good. Okay, I'm going to pass the question to Subhan. Question passes to Subhan because it's his turn. Yes, Subhan.
The teacher reads story to the students.
A किधर गया?
The teacher reads a story to the students.
Students nahi hai, students. It's not students. It's students. DENTS. Okay, good one, good one. Okay, cool. Next one is coming to Vihan. Toys, please away your put.
Please put your toys away.
Come on, Vihan, please put your toys away. Now.
Please put your toys away.
Yes, Vihan, go put your toys away. Please, Vihan, go put your toys away.
Yes, it was working.
Cool, good. Okay. Ranveer, next one comes to you. Lamp on turned the mom.
Yo, Amma.
Ayyo, amma.
The mom turned on the lamp. Sorry. Mom turned on the lamp.
Mom turned on the lamp. Cool,
Yes.
good. We have another 3 minutes to go. I'm very sad that Pranav is not being a part of it. Okay.
Very hot it.
Next one goes to Tanishka. Very is hot it? Very is hot
It
it?
is very hot. It is very hot.
और इस question mark का क्या करेंगे? It is a question mark. It is a question sentence. Interrogative sentence. कैसे पूछोगे? I don't want anybody saying ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. Okay, Shh.
Very hot, is it?
Huh? Is it? Come on, Tanishka. What is this, yeah?
Very hot, it is.
अगं प्रश्न विचारायचे कशी विचारणार तू? If you have to ask a question, what will be the first word? इन सब में questioning word कौन सा है? काय ग अशी काय करतीयस? It is a questioning word.
Hmm.
No, another 20 seconds. It is not a questioning word. How can you frame this word, these set of words so it is a question? हे खरंच आहे का? ये ऐसा
Hot, is it? No.
correct, Tanishka, come on, frame it. You're just there. You're just simply getting confused. And I don't understand what you're getting confused with.
Hot, very, is it?
Oh God. Reap.
Hot, very, it is.
Hey, podi. Go. Subhan, answer it. Subhan.
Is it very hot?
Thank you. Yes, it is very hot. Tanishka, you're saying very hot, is it? Very hot, is it? Agar just replace them. Is it very hot? काय ग माय गॉड एक काम कर असं बुक घे आणि डोक्यात मारून घे खरंच now it is time for you to put the English grammar book under your pillow and sleep. Cutie Tanishka. Okay, all right. Next question. Pranav, are you still there? मैं हर 5 मिनट में आके पूछ रही हूँ, प्रणव से कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं है. चलो फटाफट, we have to solve this. Vihan, dress I knew have a. We have 2 minutes. जल्दी करो विहान.
I have a new dress.
Then go and wear it. Go. Bye. Go wear it and come. Ranveer, next question. That looked big at boy.
Huh? That look big at boy.
You have 5 seconds to solve it or I'm passing the question.
Look at that big boy.
Look at him. Go. Tanishka, next question. Can you blew the ride bike? Oh, again interrogative question comes to Tanishka. Oh, आज रात में तनिष्का ग्रामर बुक लेके सोना ही पड़ेगा पिल्लो में. पिल्लो के नीचे नहीं, पिल्लो कवर के अंदर रख के सो. Come on. Focus. Let's keep the focus. Can you blow the ride bike? Can you blow the ride bike? Come on. Ranveer, is there some class happening behind you? Why are you always looking behind? Tanishka, it's a question.
You can ride the
Tanishka-
blue bike.
Tanishka, it's a question. What will be the first word? Look, there's a question mark here. You cannot forget the punctuation. Start किस word से होगा?
You can ride blue bike. Blue bike.
Blue bike. Yeah, blue bike. Blah blah.
No, blue bike.
Tanishka, it is a question. How will you start the question? You can means assertive. Yes, you can do it. How will you ask the question? काय झालं तुला आज? See, importance of speaking correctly every day. How will you ask this question? Come on.
Can you ride the blue? Can you ride the blue bike?
Thank you. Finally. Yes. Can you ride the blue bike? See, the way you speak, how you use the words, the correct punctuation, manner in which you talk, everything is so important. Can you ride the blue bike? अशी बोलली तर it doesn't sound like a question. Can you ride the blue bike? असं विचारायचं असतं because it's a question. Then you know it's a question. Okay, next one, Subhan. Quick, Subhan. Subhan, I'm opening your mic. Bolo.
I am going. Hi, I am going to the. I am going school.
I am going school. Oh my God, I'm going to pass the question because I only have few seconds left. Vihan, what is the correct way to say this?
Hi, I am going to school.
Thank you very much, Vihan. Last question, Ranveer, comes to you. Tie can you hair? Eh?
Ma'am, can you tie your hair?
Yes, I can tie my hair. Thank you very much.
Ma'am.
Good job. Everybody clap for yourself. Tanishka,
I got all of them.
especially all your efforts. Really good. I'm glad you took so much efforts. I know you know it and I'm wondering why are you not doing it correctly. Anyways, good job. Very good efforts. Good job, kids.